Everyone, welcome back to our channel where Veggies meet wellness. Did you know that a humble plant growing wild in fields could be one of winter's biggest nutrition heroes? Yes, today we are talking about Bathua, scientifically known as Chenopodium album, a winter superfood hiding in a plain sight. So, what is Bathua? Bathua is a fast growing leafy green plant that thrives during the winter season. In English, it's commonly known as lamb's quarters. It grows naturally in fields, gardens, and roadsides, especially during winter in North India. Many farmers see it as just another weed, but surprise, it's actually a nutrition treasure. People usually eat their tender leaves, soft stems. In some hilly regions, even the seeds are used. So, why is Bathua a superfood? First, it is rich in nutrients. Bathua is packed with iron, calcium, phosphorus, potassium, vitamin A, vitamin C, B complex vitamins. It's especially great during winter when our immunity needs a boost. Bathua is high in fiber, which improves digestion, prevents constipation, supports gut health. Traditionally, it's even used to cleanse the stomach naturally. Thanks to its high vitamin and antioxidant content, Bathua helps fight infections, reduce inflammation, keep seasonal cold away. Perfect winter food companion. With its rich calcium content, Bathua helps strengthen bones, support joint health, prevent weakness, supports heart health. The potassium and fiber in Bathua may help regulate blood pressure, improve cholesterol levels. Let's see how do people eat Bathua. Bathua is super versatile in the kitchen. You can enjoy it as Bathua paratha, Bathua saag, Bathua raita. It has a slightly earthy spinach-like taste, delicious and comforting. Like spinach, Bathua contains oxalates, so wash it thoroughly, cook it properly, avoid excessive consumption. If you have kidney stone issues, moderation is key. Next time you see Bathua growing in field, remember it's not just a weed. It's winter superfood light gift from nature. Simple, local, seasonal, powerful. Would you try Bathua this winter? Tell me in the comment. Let's hear some beautiful stories about Bathua. So the first one is the winter gold of villages. In rural North India, Bathua is often called a gift of winter. It grows wild in wheat fields without being planted, yet it is highly nutritious. There is a common village saying, "Jab tak sardi, tab tak Bathua ka saag." It means winter feels incomplete without Bathua. Because it grows naturally and abundantly, it becomes known as a poor man's spinach. But ironically, it contains more nutrients than regular spinach. The second one is the wheat that refused to die. Farmers often tried to remove Bathua from wheat fields because it competed with crops. But no matter how much it was uprooted, it kept coming back. Because of this, in folklore, it became a symbol of resilience and survival, one that survives harsh winters and poor soil. Some elders even say, "Bathua sikhata hai jeena, jahan jagah mile wahan ug jao." Bathua teaches you to live, grow wherever you find space. Let's talk about Ayurvedic beliefs. In traditional Indian medicine, Bathua is considered good for digestion, helpful in cleansing the stomach, beneficial for skin health. Village grandmothers often insist that eating Bathua at least once a week in winter cleans the blood. Now, a mythological style story. According to a village legend, when winter first came to earth, crops shivered and died. People prayed to Mother Earth for help. The earth goddess whispered, "I will send you a plant that does not fear the cold." From the frost-covered soil, a soft green plant appeared, small, humble, and unnoticed. The rich ignored it, the poor gathered it, and those who ate it stayed strong through winter. The goddess said, "I hide strength in simple things." That plant was Bathua. And that is why elders say strength does not always grow in royal gardens. Sometimes it grows like a weed. There are few more stories about Bathua which I have added on description. So if you want to know more stories about it, then go check out the description. So this was all about Bathua today. We'll meet you in the next video with more interesting vegetables and stories behind them. Until then, stay healthy and stay happy. Bye bye.